What's up everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be installing and testing this extreme duty drive shaft for this Traxxas slash 4x4. So you can see the one I broke, it just like snapped off one side. Anyways, enough talking, let's throw it in. Alrighty, we got it in now. It looks way beefier than the normal one. I also have this Spectrum glitch buster that I'm gonna quick toss in there. There we go, glitch buster's in there. Now we can go drive. There we go. So far the new drive shaft works amazingly, hasn't broken, thankfully, and I can also tell the little glitch buster there is helping out a ton. I had no glitches the whole time I was driving, and I was doing lots of just punching the throttle and all sorts of stuff like that, so it works great. Here's the part number and name for both of these if you're interested. I'll also put a link in the description of this video where you can buy the new drive shaft, the glitch buster, and the car itself. And if you've seen a lot of my videos, you probably noticed that I cleaned up this whole corner. This was my junk corner, but now it's amazing. Got a little fraction of my rock collection here. Super cool. Mini slash. It looks so much better. Now you don't have to stare at a big pile of trash every time you see my videos. Yay! So nice. Also, for the mini slash here, I got a brand new center drive shaft. This is the all steel thing because I broke the plastic one. It was probably like a few weeks ago, but I haven't gotten to fixing it yet. So that will be next week's video. So subscribe so you don't miss that, and I will see you in the next one.